Subscribe to the Helpful Techniques and press the bell icon for more updates. Hello everyone, my name is Piravrat and welcome to the Helpful Techniques. So guys, I'm again back with a new job opportunity. This time Axis Bank is hiring for the role of Business Development Executive and it's for Kolkata location. So here you can check only one opening they have for this role. So here experience is from 0 to 1 years, that means freshers can also apply for this role. And skills, basically they need sales skill because it's for Business Development Executive they are hiring. And date of posting 25th August 2020, that means it's a fresh job, so you can apply as soon as possible for this role. So here you can see the key responsibilities. You need to identify sales opportunities for both the bank and the third party products by acquiring new customers and building new relationships. So basically what are the function of a business development executive? They need to contact more customers and fetch more profit to the company by connecting the requirement of the customers with their products. So basically you need to build more relationships with the customers and you need to meet the certain deadline. So basically what are the qualifications? Here you can check graduate with less than 1 year experience, that means freshers can also apply for this role. So role proficiencies, please notice here carefully. So you need to have good communication skill. It's must both verbal and written skills in both English and the local language. So excellent lead generation and convention skills, ability to handle pressure and meet the deadlines. So whenever you are working as a business development executive, you need to meet certain deadlines within certain period of time. So ability to work successfully as a part of a team. So high sales orientation to meet the sale target consistently, that means you need to meet the deadline. So here you have to click on apply button, then you can apply directly online. So they will be conducting the interview online as well. So guys, here they have not mentioned or they have not declared the salary. So I've searched in the Glassdoor. You know Glassdoor is a very genuine review website. So here you can check the salary ranges from 16,000 plus to 37,000, that means approximately 38,000. So basically it's the minimum salary you will be getting. As you know, it's a that you will be working as a business development executive, that means the more profit you face for the company or the organization, you will be getting more salary or more incentives. So here you can check the commission sharing or the cash bonus. So you'll be getting more bonus if you are able to fetch more profit to the company. So basically your salary will be ranging from 20, you can say like average salary will be 25,000 if you are not able to bring that much of profit to the Axis Bank or to the organization. So this is the minimum salary you will be getting. If you are doing nothing, you are not able to bring much profit to the company, you are not able to sell much their products, so then you will be getting 16,000 only. So here you can check all the reviews are actually does not belong to 2020. Actually it belongs to 2019, 2017. So it's 2020, so the salary may vary. So you need to apply first. Later whenever you are talking to any HR people from the Axis Bank, then you can get the clear view about the salary structure. So I'll be providing the job link in the description of this video so that you can check all the details again and apply as soon as possible if you are interested for this role. So you can check other job details as well in the description. I have provided other job links as well. So go through all the other details of the job links and apply as soon as possible. So thank you for watching. Have a good day.